A couple of years ago, I started a research project to find out whether our economic system, I will call it financial capitalism, is capable of solving the major problems we have to deal with in the 21st century. And my conclusion was that our systems and organizations are not developed to do so. We developed corporations to serve a simple purpose: maximum benefits for the shareholder with minimal risk for the board. But the biggest problem is our economic systems are beyond repairing. We try to solve our problems with the same level of thinking that created them in the first place. And it's foolish to expect something else while acting the same. Financial capitalism and its organizations are the biggest threat to solve the problems we are facing. Organizations think they are unique, that the world turns around them, and they invent the wheel over and over again. They are too complex and too big to fail. But most of all, they are losing their connections with human beings. We need smart networks, not big companies. Communities based on profile, connect, collaborate. We need community software that we can work time, place and organization independent. We need communities to deploy people smarter, without boundaries of companies and countries. Our economic system is beyond repairing. So we have to create a new building, a new political economic system, which I call human capitalism. But how can we do that? We go back to the drawing table. We can build a new organization model for problems we are facing now, using connected knowledge, technology and web generation that's available at the moment. We are not going to repair our existing systems, we build a new one. And within the next decades we will invite more and more problems to move from the old organization into the smart networks, into our new building. And finally, the old buildings are not useful anymore and they will collapse. Humans are capable of working together to solve major problems. 500,000 people work together to put a man on the moon and bring him back safely. We can work smart together in communities, independent from companies and countries. And it's not all about technology. Social media is like a fax or an email. Twitter will come and will go. The technology is available. Real change starts with new thinking. I will come to a conclusion. Our political, economic and organization systems are beyond repairing. Financial capitalism cannot solve the major problems we are facing as a human society. Our organizations were not created for that purpose. And our country and company borders are more a burden than a blessing. We have to create a new building, a new system, which I call human capitalism. And to do that, we need political, economic and organizational thinking to solve major problems we are facing ahead. The great Albert Einstein once said, "The world we've created is a product of our thinking. To change the world, we have to change our thinking." And that's why we started the Weconomics Foundation for new economic and organizational thinking. Weconomics is a program to change our company-centered economy into a community-centered economy. It's a program to change our society from financial capitalism to human capitalism. Thank you for listening. I'm looking forward to work with you to create a great new future. Thank you.